My name is Kathy Armstrong. My job title is administrative maintenance, and I work at RoyOMartin Plywood. I started on the drawers, and I worked there for a few months, and then they moved me to the composers. I went to the layup line, and I stayed there for probably about a year. And after about 3 years of the production, I then came in the office. And I've been here in this position 17 years, and I love what I do. There was a moment when I knew that I made the right decision when I came to RoyOMartin. In 2010, me and my husband had separated. The divorce was finalized in 2011. It was me and 3 kids. And so I was like, wow, what am I gonna do? And I just knew I was not gonna be able to make it. My faith life and RoyOMartin together combined they really made a way for me and my kids. I had one daughter. She was able to go to college off the RoyOMartin scholarship. I had a son who chose not to go to college, and straight out of high school, he came into the RoyOMartin Plywood family. He's on the drawers now. And I have a daughter that's 12 years old that's being well taken care of. I was able to buy a house. I was able to get another car. And so there's really nothing that a single mama can't do unless you just don't want to do when you're working for RoyOMartin Plywood. I'm just a prime example that you don't have to just throw in the towel and say, oh, I'm not gonna be able to make it, because if I could do it, then I know anybody else can do it. And I took care of 3 kids off of 1 salary, so I'm thankful for it. I'm Kathy Armstrong, and I'm glad somebody believed in me.